Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt small? It's a universal feeling, no pun intended. But just how small are we? Today, let's take a journey, a mind-bending trip to the very edge of everything we know to truly grasp the scale of our universe. Our starting point is home, planet Earth. It feels huge, right? It takes a full day just to fly from one side to the other. Earth is about 12,700 kilometers in diameter. Now, hold that thought. Let's zoom out to our star, the Sun. You could fit 1,300,000 Earths inside the Sun. If Earth were the size of a tiny marble, the Sun would be a giant exercise ball, 1.5 meters across. Suddenly, our whole world is just a marble. But the Sun is just one star. It's the center of our solar system, but even the solar system is vast. The farthest planet, Neptune, is 4.5 billion kilometers away. A commercial jet would take over 500 years to get there. And beyond Neptune lies the Oort cloud, a giant sphere of icy objects surrounding us. We haven't even left our cosmic backyard yet, and the numbers are already staggering. Let's keep going. Our solar system is just one tiny speck inside the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way contains somewhere between 100 and 400 billion stars. Our Sun is just one of them, nestled in a quiet spiral arm. Our galaxy is so enormous that light itself, the fastest thing in the universe, takes 100,000 years to cross from one side to the other. Think about that. The light from stars on the far side of our own galaxy started its journey when early humans were first emerging. When you look at a picture of the Milky Way, you see a beautiful, swirling collection of stars. But that's just our home. Now, imagine zooming out so far that our entire galaxy, with its billions of stars and 100,000 light-year span, shrinks down to a single point of light. What would you see? You'd see other points of light, trillions of them. Each of those points is another galaxy. Our nearest major galactic neighbor is Andromeda, which is 2.5 million light-years away. It's actually hurtling towards us, and in about 4.5 billion years, our two galaxies will collide and merge. And Andromeda is just the beginning. Galaxies aren't just scattered randomly, they're grouped together by gravity into clusters. The Milky Way is part of what's called the Local Group, a collection of over 50 galaxies. This cluster itself is just a small part of an even bigger structure, the Virgo supercluster. This colossal cosmic web contains over 100 galaxy groups and clusters, spanning 110 million light-years. We're not even a suburb in this cosmic city. We're more like a single grain of sand on one of its many beaches. But even superclusters aren't the end of the line. Astronomers have mapped these structures and found they form immense filaments and walls of galaxies, surrounding vast empty regions called voids. The largest of these structures is the Hercules Corona Borealis, Great Wall. It's a galactic filament, so long that light would take 10 billion years to travel its length. That's more than 2/3 the age of the universe itself. How can something be so big? It challenges our very understanding of cosmology. So, let's take one final leap. We've gone from Earth to the solar system to our galaxy, two clusters, superclusters, and cosmic walls. This entire interconnected web of trillions of galaxies makes up the observable universe. This is the portion of the cosmos from which light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. The diameter of this observable sphere is a mind-numbing 93 billion light-years. And here's the kicker. That's just the part we can see asterisk. What lies beyond that horizon? We don't know. The universe could be vastly larger, perhaps even infinite. We might be living in just one bubble in a multiverse of countless other universes, each with its own physical laws. It's an idea that stretches the limits of imagination. So, let's bring it back home. Back to our little blue marble, orbiting a very average star in a quiet corner of one galaxy among trillions. Does knowing all this make you feel insignificant? Or does it fill you with a sense of wonder? The fact that we, on this tiny planet, have been able to piece together this cosmic story is nothing short of miraculous. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star billions of years ago. We are quite literally made of stardust. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember the incredible journey you just took. Remember the scale, the beauty, and the mystery. And remember that you are a part of it all. You are not just in the universe. The universe is in you. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey to the edge of reality. If you enjoyed this cosmic perspective, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more adventures into the great unknown. See you next time.